What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be checking out the new update. Let's get straight into it. Ooh, I can see it's over here. Well, I already saved something, so yeah. I got the chaos bow. Look at this. It's kind of sad that you have to pay for it. So let's buy it. Oh no, wait. I'm supposed to do it. We just found it. And just like no goop on it, as you can see. Ooh. Yo! Yo! So, if you take it off, I don't think you can put it back. Actually, you can't take it off. You can also put it into stash and it won't come off.
Yo, why are you... Hold on, let me check. What are you doing here, man? Are you gonna kick me? Hold on, wait. Everybody kick me? You own this code. Do you own this code?
Okay, somebody joined the code, so we're gonna have to change. Look. It stays on. That's pretty cool. But that means you can, wait a second. Are we serious? I might build the most massive goop build ever, but for right now, let's just check the map. I've heard they changed stage 5. My god. It's in stage 5 too. And they added 2 shops. Oh well. Let's check the other one. Anyways, this is kinda cool. Can you make things smaller? Yes, indeed you can. Can you make things bigger? You still can. Okay, that's nice. This is a pretty nice build. Not build. Update. I like this update. Let's check public servers. Let's see what they're doing. Bro, my brother is in my other room. He is screaming Mr. Grey Wolf, and he is offline, so I can't join him. Oh well. At least I had Sharky official friended. Yeah.
I'm going to watch this.
Yeah. Dang.
Money!
What is everybody doing?
Money!
Where's
The money
Mm.
isn't doing anything. Green.
Look
Don't
at me.
touch it, I'll
Turtle.
kill you.
Turtle.
Yeah, wasting your money, bro.
Oof,
Turtle.
that's
Look
crazy.
what I made. Turtle.
So much goop.
That's not how you make
Yeah,
money. That's
OG.
abusive. Alright, who wants
That's
who wants a boo boo? I want a little boo. Me.
Alright, guys.
Look,
Come to me if you want.
Pink.
If you want to
That's
transfer
the
the big
end
colored
of the
burrito.
video, I think.
Did I already share for this?
Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.